Now, Derek is down at the ODS this morning. And Derek, what do you have for us this hour?
Yes, good morning, Martin and Elaine. Welcome down here. We're behind the scenes at the PTSB Ideal Home Show at the ODS Simmons Court. Susan Andrews is with us now from the SEAI, the Sustainable Energy Authority of Ireland. And I suppose that's the buzzword on everyone's lips at the moment, Susan. We're all trying to save a bit of energy and save a few bob, aren't we?
That's right. Yeah, no, it's very important at the moment. People are very conscious about their rising energy bills. So at SEAI, we offer a wide range of home energy upgrade grants to help homeowners make their homes more energy efficient and reduce those bills. So we've grants for attic insulation, different types of wall insulation, windows and doors, and renewable systems like heat pumps and solar PV.
OK, there's a big focus as well on retrofitting projects and trying to get that done, as cost efficient as possible. You offer grants for that too?
Yeah, so there's different ways of going about your retrofit. So if you want to just do one or two measures, we've individual grants, and that gives you that flexibility to do your upgrades in your own time to suit your own circumstances and budgets. But if you're somebody who knows you want to do a complete one-stop shop retrofit, you might be doing an extension, then we'd say go with our registered one-stop shops, and they manage everything for you from start to finish.
Now, I only found out this morning, in fact, that you can actually get a grant to upgrade your windows and doors.
That's right. So, yeah, there was a recent announcement by the government. So we've increased grants for attic insulation, cavity insulation, and heat pump systems. So you can now get a grant of €12,500 for a heat pump, but we've also a new grant for windows and doors, and that's to support those older homes that have already got good wall and attic insulation but need to swap out inefficient windows.
Now, in terms of the works that are people potentially are doing at home, it has to be an SEAI appointed contractor, right?
Registered, yeah. And that's so we've over 1,400 registered contractors. So there, if you're going to do your individual grants, but we also have registered one-stop shops, and they can also do individual grants for you, but they're where you go if you want to do a complete one-stop shop retrofit in one go.
OK, going to be another busy weekend for you down here. What can people expect?
Well, the PTSB Ideal Home Show is a brilliant show. We've been exhibiting here for many years. It's a really busy show. It's a great opportunity for anyone who wants to carry out a retrofit. Come and talk to us, get independent advice. We'll help you through all the different grant routes. But we also have a lot of our registered one-stop shops, contractors, installers of, providers of insulation, heat pumps, solar PV, all under one roof. So it's a great resource for anyone who's thinking about carrying out a retrofit.
OK, do you always turn off the immersion?
Don't even turn it on.
There we go. I always turned it off. Anyway, we'll have more here behind the scenes. But for now, back to studio.
He said the immersion. The immersion word, yeah.
Yeah. I haven't switched
War
on
in our house
immersion
over
in
immersion.
years.
I know. It's a dangerous subject.
Thing. You'd get calls from home, wouldn't you?
Yeah.
Is that immersion now?
God, I remember Dad giving out to us. God, who left on the immersion overnight and you'd nearly be, Oh, anyway.